Hi, Amazon is reportedly training new humanoid robots for delivering packages, and they will soon start real-world testing. They have an indoor facility called Humanoid Park right now. Amazon is developing the AI software part, and they are using robots from other companies, like Digit from Agility Robotics, or Unitary from China, which costs $16,000. They already announced 2 years ago that they had two new robots in their warehouses, which one of them was the Digit, and the other one is the Sequoia robot. They had 750,000 robots, which was allowing warehouses to work 75% faster and overall making 25% faster deliveries for the customers. Also, this physically supports employees and reduces the risk of injury, but of course takes some jobs away. Now with these new delivery robots, they are also going to help the drivers at first, but they are also going to take some jobs away too. We haven't seen any robots in the field yet, but we have seen so many examples of helper AI robots. I think we are really close to actually making it. So this doesn't surprise me. Maybe we are going to see them working in a couple of months. Amazon says they prefer these humanoid robots rather than specialized robots. They like them being multi-talented, they can work on any project like a human, and they can be taught any new job, and they also want them to act on natural language commands. So their first plan is sending these robots at the back of their delivery vans, so that a human driver can still drive and the robot can make the deliveries. Also, they say the driver can drop off the robot to make other deliveries at the same time and then pick up the robot again. Amazon has other projects about driverless vehicles, so it's also safe to assume that one day there's not going to be even a driver in the van. You might think this is going to cost them so much money, but just a week ago this open source $3,000 robot project is released by Hugging Face. The project has 3D printable parts and off-the-shelf parts, so the humanity were developing robot hardware parts for decades now, and the software is nearly there too. In a really short time span, we are going to see people building their own robots in their homes and other multifunctional robots on the shelves of the stores. I'm really excited to see this future. I also have some small doubts about the job market, but jobs are always changing. Maybe this is going to create new jobs. Just maybe people might start doing more things they love. I don't know, maybe in a utopia that might happen. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about these robots and what will happen when they arrive in our real world. If you liked the video, please subscribe and thank you for listening.